In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Calendar. If you want to create a backup of your calendar data, move your events to another platform, or simply keep a copy for your records, exporting your Google Calendar is a quick and useful process. This can be especially helpful if you manage important appointments, deadlines, or shared schedules and want to make sure you always have access to that information. To get started, open Google Calendar on your computer. This process is best done in a desktop browser, since the export option is typically found in the full web version of Google Calendar rather than the mobile app. Once Google Calendar is open, take a moment to make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one account for work, school, or personal scheduling. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This is where Google Calendar keeps many of its account and calendar management options. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings area where you can control things like time zone preferences, event settings, and import or export tools. From there, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Import and Export. This section is specifically designed for bringing calendar data into Google Calendar or downloading a copy of your existing calendar information. It's a useful area to remember if you ever need to transfer events between services or restore information later. Once you're in the Import and Export section, click the Export button. Google Calendar will then prepare your calendar data and download it to your computer. In most cases, the export comes as a compressed zip file. Inside that file, you'll usually find one or more ICS files, which are standard calendar files that can be imported into many other calendar apps and services. After the download finishes, it's a good idea to save the file somewhere easy to find, such as your Downloads folder, desktop, or a dedicated backup folder. If you plan to use the exported calendar in another app, you may need to unzip the file first before importing the ICS file. And that's all it takes to export Google Calendar. It's a simple process, but it can be very valuable if you want to back up or need to move your calendar data elsewhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.